No, I have to talk about the new Siri. So hopefully you guys are off of the Siri waitlist at this point. If you go down here to Siri, you can see this is what it looks like when you do have the new Siri enabled. Make sure you do have the expressive voices preview turned on as well, by the way. But I have to tell you guys, the new Siri is simply incredible. I mean, I really did not expect it to be as good as it is. It is absolutely ridiculously good. Like, I don't even use ChatGPT or Gemini anymore. I just use Siri, which sounds insane. And yes, partially it's because I am testing it for the channel, but also like 80% of the reason is because it's actually genuinely so good. Like, I'm able to reference things that I was not able to ever even think about doing it before. I actually wrote down a few examples that I've been using lately. Like, I was able to ask Siri, if my utility bill has been raised over the past 6 months. So went through my email, found everything. Let me just show you. My utility bill is looking pretty high this month. What were the last 6 months of my utility bill? Like, how much was it? So it's going to search through my email and find that. So take a look at that. It found the past 6 months of my utility bill. That saves me so much time from having to go in there myself and do it. And this is just, constant. It happens all the time with the things I ask. Like, I asked for different airline options, which is best from going from Orlando to London. I said, I've been spending too much on groceries lately, and I had to break down like what I've been spending. When were my last 3 haircuts? I was just curious how long it's been. It pulled that up again through my email and through my text messages. And then it said, or I asked, I stayed in a hotel earlier this year, but I forget the name. Help me find it. And it was able to go through my email and find that receipt from, a while back and tell me the name of that hotel. Like, there's just so many amazing things. And that's just using personal context. That's not even talking about the on-screen awareness, which is also great. I just need to make a full video on this. I will eventually, but I've just been very impressed with the new Siri here in iOS 27. Just extremely impressed. So if you have as well, or if you're not impressed, let me know your thoughts down there in the comments. I'm really curious. Oh, and I have to say that if you go into the camera right here and you go into the Siri view, this is also a really great, feature in here. There's a lot of really great additions in here, like the nutrition value. You can scan food and it will rate it, basically say how good it is on a nutritional scale. That's really cool as well. I have used that a bit. I prefer the Yuka app for more information, but the Siri in the camera is something I thought I would really hate, but I've actually grown to love it quite a bit.